September was Fire Safety Month. Gary's here from Home Comfort Experts to remind us of some things we can do to help stay safe. It feels like it should still be September.
Oh, well.
What happened? What happened to the month?
It is flying by. You know, here we are in October, getting a little bit of feel of
yes.
fall. And
fall? It feels like winter out there.
But hopefully not quite yet. Hopefully we got a little fall left, but it's cold and guys are busy. Service calls are coming in. It's, you know, it's time to think about being safe in your home, getting your furnace and, you know, any appliances that you have that are gas burning taken care of.
Well, let's talk about, first, you have a handy dandy thing in your hand.
Yeah.
And we have a picture of it too we can show in a minute, but this is a CO monitor.
That's correct.
Tell me the difference between a CO monitor and a CO detector, because they're two different things, right?
Right. You know, a CO detector, really the levels where a CO detector goes off is a lot higher.
Okay.
And this is a CO monitor, so it is, you know, monitoring the levels of the carbon monoxide even at, you know, the low levels.
Okay.
You know, it starts at about 4 or 5 parts per million, where a lot of the UL listed CO detectors don't go off until it's about 70 parts per million in your house.
Is there a number that we need to
Well, there's a lot of numbers.
be aware of?
Right, there's a lot of numbers. You know, OSHA recommends no more than 9 parts per million in an 8-hour period.
Okay.
You know, anything, you know, up to 35 parts per million, you can start feeling a headache, nausea, you know, kind of like flu-like system or symptoms. And, you know, above that, it just continues to get worse. You want to make sure that the safe level you want in your house is 0.
Got it.
Okay. You should have a CO monitor any place, you know, within about 5-6 feet of where you have a gas burning appliance. One close to your bedroom. They like to keep them about 5 foot high. Like I said, these are monitors, and they will tell you right on the face of them how many parts per million that is on there. Now, you and I are talking, and there's a lot of hot exhaust right here. I'm surprised that this isn't actually going off.
He can't miss an opportunity to take a dig at me. He cannot. He cannot.
But this is something everybody should have, and
Sure.
it's cheap safety.
And we get those from you guys. We can get them at the store.
You can actually order them online.
Oh, okay.
Homecomfort.com. The technicians all have them on their trucks. You're looking at about $169, you know, for one of them, but it's got a 5-year limited warranty on it. And like I said, it's very cheap safety.
I was going to say, small price to pay for a house fire is my biggest fear. The other picture that came right after that CO monitor was a picture of a dryer fire. You and I talk all the time. That lint that not only you see in the front of your dryer, but what you don't see that's like behind the dryer, you know, on the way to the exhaust, that's highly combustible, isn't it?
Yeah, the lint that's in there, you may not see anything in your dryer. Now, you're supposed to clean out the lint trap all the time.
Or it becomes a blanket.
Before it becomes a blanket. Everybody does that, but some of that lint makes it past and makes it into the vent that goes to the outside. You should have that cleaned out once a year at least, depending on how many people and how much laundry that you do. And that lint is very, very flammable.
Right.
You know, dryers and dryer vents are one of the leading causes of fires in homes. You should have it cleaned out. You know, it costs anywhere from $129 to $169, depending on how long the vent is. And once again, very cheap thing to do to make sure you're safe in the wintertime.
Absolutely. The peace of mind would be well worth it, and it's going to help your dryer run better.
That's right.
You're not going to have to run it as often. Your clothes are going to get drier quicker. It's better for your clothes. It's better for the actual appliance too. I do want to talk about, we only have about 45 seconds left. I want to talk about the deal right now, $18 a week, and you can have a new furnace and air conditioning system in your home.
Well, like we talked, it's just starting to turn cold.
Yeah.
If you had issues last year, you know, if you have maintenance on it, and maybe a technician brings up to you that you maybe have some issues, equipment's getting older, $18 a week, that's a great, I mean, you know, that's not very much, and you get a whole new furnace and air conditioner put in.
Absolutely, and it says lower your utility bills. Depending what your house is like, you may pay for that each week when you lower utility
very
bills.
much,
So
yep.
all you have to do is give them a call right now, 260-490-5100. Call Home Comfort Experts. We'll be right back.